Hey guys, in this video we will go through how to build, basically how to create a budget tracker in Google Sheets. So we have two options and we will go through both of them. So let's start with the option number one. So it is the longest one. So what we need to do, basically we will set up our headers. So we need to label our columns in the first row. All right, so let's say the first column will be date. Then we have the description. Then we also have category. And then the last one will be amount. All right, now what we need to do, second step is we will create a summary tab. So in a separate area, like for example, this one F1 and G3 right here. So let's say something like that. We will put in the formula. So right here, I will type in total income. And in this one, it will be the formula, which is something like that. Let me just paste it right here. So as you can see it right here, it's sum if SC, this one category, then income here, and then the amount. So this is total income. Now we have also the total expenses. So for that one, we will use the code right here, which is pretty much the same as before for total income, but we have here sum if CC, and then we have here this criterion, and then from here we have some range. So this is for total expenses. Then we have net balance, and here we will put in subtract expenses from income. So we will do something like that. We will equal G1 minus G2. And this is basically our net balance. Okay, so the next step will be basically we will highlight the column C. So we will create the drop-down menu that we will keep data clean. Then what we need to do here, so highlight column C, go to the insert, and then select here find drop-down like that. And here on the right side in the sidebar at your categories income, we will add here items. So we will add here, we can put income, then we can add rent, food, fun, let's say, and so on. So here you can make your own categories. This will ensure you don't have typos that mess up your formulas. Okay, when we are happy with that, we just click here done. And what we will also add here is basically we will create conditional formatting for visuals. So let's say that we make overspending stand out. So what we are going to do is here we will select amount column. So I'll highlight that one. And then what we are going to do is go to the format here at the top and then select conditional formatting like that. And now we will set a rule. So if a number is greater than your budget. So what we are going to do here on the right side bar, we will select here is not empty. We will change that to greater than, and then value of formula, let's say, I don't know, 100, and then I will change color also right here. Okay, we can do that and done. Okay, so let's try that if it works. Yeah, it works. So if I 100, as you can see, if I go above 100, then it will be red. So it works perfectly. And yeah, this is basically how you can create yourself a budget tracker, and you can also see that you have here total expenses and net balance. All right. Now, option number one. So this one is the quickest and the simplest. So let's take a closer look into this one. So Google Sheet has a built-in tools that does 90% of the work for you. So what you can do here is click on the template gallery at the top right. So you have it right here. So click on it and you will see here basically bunch of templates that you can use. So right here you will see monthly budget. So I think you can use that, or you have here Google Finance Investment Tracker. It could work as well. So what you're going to do, just select one, so monthly budget, and you have it right over here. As you can see, you can go through here. It's more visual, it's simpler, nicer for our eyes. Now what we can do here is here under this list sheet, we have transaction, and you can type in some date, amount, description, category, and then you have income, also date, amount, description, and category, and you can type in right here, and you will see in this page some changes, how is your start balance, end balance, and so on. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can create a budget tracker. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.